welcome to this home studio, and today's video is going to be a special video. I'm going to do a DIY facial at home. So it is an aroma facial. I have used rose petals especially for this facial. So rose petals actually plays a very important role in this, a key ingredient in this facial. So I have actually added a little bit extra step in this. I have used a bleach before I start the facial to give a little extra glow. So without any delay, let's get started. Anti-inflammatory properties, which has the property to soothe your skin, and it is very good for the people with oily or acne prone skin, or those who have even very sensitive skin. It actually exfoliates your skin very nicely. It is very soft. It actually helps to remove excess oil from your skin. So rose petals are actually very good for the people who really have a very sensitive skin. It has an antibacterial properties. It is very rich in vitamin C. So almond oil actually contains vitamin E in it. It actually protects the skin from the UV radiation damage, and it actually makes the skin smooth and soft. So steaming is a major part of this facial, because it actually gets all the dirt out of your face. It removes all the clogs. So it is very important to remove the blackheads or whiteheads around the nose area and around the mouth, so that this really cleanses your face. I have used turmeric in the face pack apart from rose. Actually, turmeric also has a lot of antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which actually gives the skin a very nice and soothing effect. It also gives a natural glow of my face looks after the facial. It actually glows. Since I have given a bleach to, my face really looks very soft, and I can feel it. There is no redness, there is no rashes. It is extremely safe to use all these products. Like I have used all the natural ingredients in this facial. So it relieves your stress. You really feel very nice when you inhale that rose aroma in that steaming. That is the most important part of the facial. I hope you too will enjoy it. Until next time, as a sign.